Morning guys, bit of a late start again today. I think the boat trip took it out of us. We're now leaving, so shattered, we're now leaving Nacpan. Lovely, lovely stay. Really recommend the hotel if you are staying in the El Nido area. But now we are off to what's thought as, or we've been told, the best beach in the Philippines.
And we're off to Nacpan Beach. You could get a ped there or a motorbike, but we've been told and recommended not to because the road is a little bit bumpy just before the beach. Yeah. We know it's a straight road all the way there, but literally just
the last couple of miles, yeah.
It's really bumpy and we didn't want to risk it. We could also get a tricycle, but it's probably about the same price. Sorry about that. It's probably about the same price as getting a shuttle there, and with us we're going to get the shuttle because it's more aircon, more comfy, and it's a lot quicker.
We've made it. It isn't as hard as we first thought. I think you could do it on a motorbike. I think in the rainy season it'd definitely get hard. It's a bit bumpy, so if you're not an expert, just get a comfortable coach like we did. Got a free drink as well, free welcome drink at Sunway Beach Bar. And yeah, so we're gonna go and check out this beach.
Okay, this beach is absolutely incredible. We've just come onto it and already I think I'm in love. It's like no one on here. Like there's a few people that have rented a sunbed back there.
And you can just find your own spot, can't you? Yeah. You can literally just walk along. I think it's 4 kilometers in total. And we're just walking up as far as we can go. Just find your own little spot. There's not much shade. I think you can rent some beds. But yeah, just walk up and down it, explore it all and find the best spot to just chill out for the day. On the perfect spot. It's a little bit windy today.
So windy.
So Molly's used her imagination and we've got a coconut holding down either towel. And you've got to be careful in here because the sand is so hot because there is no shade at all. I think we found the best spot on the beach. We actually might have a new favourite beach. We've been to some incredible beaches over the last 2 months in Mexico, in Fiji. There's even been amazing ones in the Philippines, but I think this is the best beach I've ever been to.
The water doesn't look real.
Look at it.
It's like
it just keeps getting clearer. It's just like clearer and clearer everywhere. Like this place, it's getting more known, but it's still very quiet. But I could see in the next few years this could become like a proper resort area town, just like Boracay, because it's like white sand beach with no one on it. I just stay here forever. We've got like no one on this bit of beach. When you enter it, walk away from the restaurant and the big like touristy sign and just head down either to the left or right. You've got 4 kilometers and just find a spot and just do your thing. Like
literally do your thing, just lay on the beach and do whatever you want because there is no one else here. So it's only right when you're in paradise that you get a coconut. Amazing, so fresh. I just can't get over this view. I'm not being funny, but you're sitting in like a little, I don't know what you call them, like cabanas?
Yeah, there's a couple of little cafes further down that have like cabanas and that on the beach.
But still no one.
There's no one else in here.
So I'm drinking my coconut and eating my donuts, and we're joined by this little one. I think he really wants some of my donut.
like that. Absolute expert. I reckon I could just sit back here and sunbathe forever. Another little find out of the main bit of the beach. These little cottage cafes, they're incredible, and you can use all their like facilities. If you buy a coconut for 50 pesos, I've got to use their hammocks, chairs. They've got sunbeds behind you, and it gets you off the beach because the sand just goes everywhere.
We've walked along the beach. It's too nice, I can't even put it into words. But Matt's walking along and he finds something in the sand and he picks this out, gives it a little wash off, and we think it's a fossil.
We're not sure of what. If you know what that is, comment below. We're not sure what it's a fossil of.
I think it's a sea urchin.
It's a good find though, isn't it?
Yes, I mean, it would be good if we knew what it was, but it's pretty.
Yeah, we are in the place to
Fortunately, we've got to get our shuttle back to El Nido now. So we booked it, probably booked it a little bit too soon. We've been loving the beach so much. But honestly, if you're in El Nido, come here. It's only about 45 minutes, if that. And it is, yeah, it's just incredible. Like, 45 minutes to come to a beach like this, do it. Just don't even contemplate doing it. If you don't want to take a moped, get a shuttle and get down here.
Just got back, just checked into our final hotel for our last night in El Nido. Really, really nice. It was 1 minute away from the one that we were at.
And we still took a tricycle.
Yeah, but we did have 3 suitcases, so it wouldn't surprise me. But the hotel is lovely. It even has...
There we go, I'll show them, sorry I'm interrupting. Nice little outdoor pool.
What I was going to say was, it even has 3 chow chows. One of them is a puppy, so we've been cuddling him for a while, but we're just going to relax for a bit. Oh, you're so cute! Oh.
Back from the pool, just getting ready, just got out of the shower. How nice were them chow chows? They add to this hotel. They give it that little like homely feel, which is lovely. And we were talking to the owner for about an hour outside. What a lovely man, what a gentleman. And we're already planning our next visit to Sea Cocoon. So if you ever come to El Nido, please come to this hotel. Just for the owner and the dogs itself. So modern, so lovely. So I'm gonna have to give you a quick room tour because Molly's editing. It's me today. Hold on, let me spin it. Got Molly editing. Nice modern bed. Got the chair. Nice flat screen. We've got a balcony. I'm not gonna go out there because it's dark. There we go, balcony. Oh, nearly fallen over. Mirror. Very nice bathroom, nice and fresh. The shower is so good. How hot is it, Molly?
Oh, it was so nice. It's nice to have, in our other hotels, the water's been kind of like cold.
This was the freshest water and the best Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
But we've got to go out and enjoy our last night in El Nido.
Absolutely starving. We really want to try this pizza place. It's been recommended. Apparently it's like the best food ever. It's called Altrove. But yesterday when we happened to find it and walk past it, there was a queue for about literally an hour out the door. So hopefully it's not too busy tonight.
Another day, another queue outside Altrove. But today, as it's our last night, we're going to firm it and we're going to wait and check out what these pizzas are. Quick update, we are not going to Altrove. We're going to go to the Altrove takeaway around the corner. We will not wait. It'd been half an hour and only one group of people had gone in. So we're going to go around, get the takeaway, and then while we wait, sit in a bar locally.
Shove it in, go on.
Wow, that is so good. Come round the corner, it's not as busy.
So the pizza was absolutely insane, so worth the little wait that we had eventually. But I think what we're going to do now is just going to go and have one last drink out somewhere. Not sure where we're going to go.
Before we go, we're going to see our friend So we found this little one yesterday, but we thought we'd show you today. We're so surprised we didn't think we'd find a Dachshund sausage dog in the Philippines.
Believe it.
Who's this?
Oh no.
But she is lovely.
Okay, how cute was she?
We found her yesterday, but we didn't want to show you till today because we were just like, I don't know, we were just excited to see her. We wanted to see her again so we could show her.
I was not far off putting her in the big bag that we've got here. I literally said to the guy that owns her, I said, I'm not far off taking her, so
She was lovely.
You better get her quickly.
Oh, the pizza was lovely, but we're going to bed now because we're off to a new destination tonight, guys. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe, drop us a like.
And keep on dabbling.